In this video, I'll show you how to reset the airbag light in your Nissan Frontier. Also works with the Nissan Xterra. Okay, so let's get started right away. So the first step, insert the key in the ignition. This also works if you have a start-stop button. You're going to turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch the airbag light in your dash, and after a few seconds, that light will turn off. As soon as it turns off, put the key in the lock position and wait 5 seconds. We will have to redo this 2 more times. Okay, so step number 4, turn the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch closely your airbag light in your dash. As soon as it turns off, turn the key to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. One more time, so the key from the lock position to the on position. Watch your dash. When the airbag lights turned off, turn the key back to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. Next, step number 10, after waiting 5 seconds, you're going to turn the key to the on position and you're going to watch the airbag light. You're going to notice it will blink, but very slowly. This is great. Wait 30 seconds. Don't touch anything. Then after 30 seconds, turn the key to the lock position and wait 5 seconds. After that, turn the key to the on position, and after 7 seconds, the airbag light should disappear and you won't have any issues after that with it. Now, what if this didn't work? What I suggest, well, first redo that at least 2 or 3 times, because the number of seconds when I was telling you, it's very important. Then if you're still having issues, check if you have any connectors, especially the seat belt connectors detached. Check under the seats. Finally, if you're still having problems, go to the dealership or a trusted mechanic that has a scanner and will be able to diagnose the problem, because maybe it's actually a real fault and a part needs to be changed. Especially if we're talking about safety, I don't suggest anyone to drive too long with this airbag fault. Anyway, leave a comment down below if it worked. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.